lighthouse, an observer is looking at a ship making an angle of depression of 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter, then find how far the ship from the lighthouse. So see here now. Now this is sea level we say, correct? Sea level you consider, or your horizontal level. That is here, this all sea level, water is here. And at point B, or at the position of B, one ship is there here. And here one lighthouse is there, correct? So let PQ is the height of the lighthouse, right? And here one person is standing and he is observing, or he is looking toward this ship here. Then see now, actually for that person this will not be the horizontal level, so that for that person this will be the horizontal level, correct? Then when he is looking toward the ship, his eyesight will look down here only, right? So here actually angle of depression will fall, because looking downward here, and that angle of depression they have given 60 degrees. But now see, this is also horizontal level for this person, and this is actual horizontal level. Both are parallel, so this will be the transversal. So this angle and this angle will become alternate, and when lines are parallel, alternate angles are congruent. So this angle is 60. What is this? Lighthouse erected on ground, so it must be perpendicular, right? So you got PQB. So whenever you are solving verbal problem, whether you are getting right angle triangle or no, that you have to see. So PQB is the right angle triangle. Then see, QB will be what? Here is the shape, here is the foot of the lighthouse. So QB is the distance between both, mean that lighthouse and that ship. And here person is standing. So PQ will be the height of the church. Then here what they told, see, if the height of the church means this is 90 meter, then how far is ship from the church? Means distance is asked or no? So let that distance be x meter. Understood? So whatever I told here, all you have to write here. You have to describe this figure. How you will describe? Let QB be the sea level here, and B is the position of the lighthouse. Let PQ is the height of the lighthouse, and the position of the observer is at P here. So as PQ is the height of the church, so PQ equal to how much we are getting? 90 meters. Then what is asked? How far is the ship from the lighthouse? Ship is at B, means QB is asked here. So QB equal to x meter. Understood this much? Then see, where angle theta we will get here now, right? So your theta is 60 degree, right? Then related to this theta, means related to this angle, this side is given, which will be opposite, right? And this is asked one, so which will be adjacent. Means again opposite upon adjacent. So which ratio you will get here? Tan. Opposite upon adjacent is always tan. Then see, you can write here in triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree. Right here. So therefore, this angle, which one? That is tan B you can take. Tan B is equal to PQ over QB. That is opposite side upon adjacent side. Then tan B, that is tan theta, equal to, or you can write in this way, tan theta equal to PQ over QB. Then theta is how much? 60 they have given. So it will be tan 60 PQ. PQ is given 90. QB we don't know. We have to find x. What is the value of tan 60? So it is root 3. Right? So 90 over x. Then we want x. Take x this side. Root 3 will go that side because it is divided. See here, when you are shifting here, it will become multiple, and this will go to the as a means it will act as a divisor here. So x equal to 90 over root 3. Right? X is what? Distance. Distance we got. So here root 3 means it is a irrational number, see, whole, right? Distance we cannot write in a irrational form. So you have to rationalize the denominator. In 9th standard algebra we have seen. So what? X equal to 90 root 3 is there. So root 3 into root 3 we will get 3. Means 3 is a rational number. So but then alone denominator you cannot. So multiply to numerator also. So 90 into root 3, 90 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 3 is 19. Yes, so it will be 30 root 3. Then in your textbook also they gave this much answer, right? But no, root 3 value we have put it. So 30 into 1.732 you take. Multiply this. How, what here? 0. 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 7s are 2 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 1 2 3. Then decimal is there. See, 1 2 3. So your distance is 51.960 meter. Mean that the shape is at 51.960 meter away from the lighthouse.